Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss SQL query execution sequence. First let me write one simple query and we'll see the sequence of execution. Just go to SQL Server. Here I have a sales table in the demo database. Let me use this sales table and we'll write a query. So select star from sales. In the sales table I have ID, customer, category, amount and sales data columns I have and few data as well. Let me use this. Select star from a sales where amount is I'll take greater than 200, and next I will use a group by I'll use a category. So when you're using a group by you have to use a aggregate function. So in the select I'll use a category comma count. So this count I'll take it as a total sales and next I'm going to use having class having count of this greater than 2 or 0 I'll take, and next I'll take order by I'll take a total sales I'll take descending, and then I'll limit the rows or pagination you can use. I'll use offset 0 rows and fetch next one rows only. This is a simple query I have written. So we'll see the sequence of execution. The first I'll take a select star from a sales. Select star from sales. The first will execute a from. The from will identify to retrieve a data from a table. So in this scenario, the sales table, to retrieve data from a sales table, the from will execute first. And second, it will execute a where class. The where class will get filter data from a table. So let me select and execute. Now the data is filtered. Next, the third one will execute a group by. So in this scenario, group by category. The group by category count we will get. So let me take this. So when you're using group by, you have to use a aggregate function. So I'll just copy this. Instead of star, I'll give a category comma count of total sales. So this will get execute. So you can see the category wise total sales we got. So next it will execute a having class. Having class it will get execute. So after a group by I will give a having count. So let me select and execute. So we got a same data. So because I given a greater than 0, so let me use this here 2. So if I select this and execute, you can see only one row is coming. The total count we given as a greater than 2. So next it will execute a order by descending. So this is order by total sales with a descending order I given. So next this will execute order by, and next it will limit the rows, last one. So you can use offset, and the pagination I given as a offset 0 fetch next one row only. So this will execute a limit. In the SQL the logical order starts with a from, where and group by and so on. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.